What is up, world? It's your boy Ton, and you are listening to the Wonton Wealth Podcast. Here, I'm going to unravel anything and everything commercial real estate related. And more importantly, we're going to add abundant value. So if you're ready, buckle up your eardrums. What's up, everybody? Today we're going to talk about something that is often overlooked, probably because they're not that big. That's what she said. But title reports are super important and you should definitely get them. We'll go into why. Picture this with me. Imagine buying your dream investment property and then bam, you discovered there are unpaid taxes or outstanding mortgages that come with it, or liens, just a whole list of shit that you didn't expect, right? And now you have to clean it up. Obviously, that's not cool, right? This is where a title report will come in to save your day or your investment. Title reports are like your property's background check. They provide super important information about the existence of any liens or any encumbrances that are on a property. Some examples are unpaid taxes, the outstanding mortgages that are on there, or any other legal obstacles. These reports are instrumental in ensuring a smooth transfer of property ownership because they identify and they address any potential issues before they become a headache for you. Now, the person that you have to go to in order to get these reports are your title companies, hopefully reputable title companies. These guys are really good at conducting a thorough investigation. They dive into public records and any legal documents that are recorded to uncover any hidden title problems that could affect your property. They're also going to be looking at deeds, the mortgages, the tax record, court documents, anything they can get their hands on a legal basis in order to verify that the property's legal ownership is what it says to be. And if there's any bullshit that's stopping it from sold or impacting its title, they will review those things for you. Now, I'm not going to say that every title company is badass and they're going to be able to do all of these things. Sometimes you're going to find a title company that misses one or two things here and there. And we're going to dig a little bit deeper with a more vivid example. Let me paint that picture. Let's imagine buying a property and then you realize you have $1 million worth of taxes, liens, and judgments that you have to pay. That sounds like a fucking total nightmare. $1 million, that's nuts. So the significance of the title reports cannot be overstated because if you did not get the title report initially, you're going to buy the property and then realize all this shit is on there and then you have to fork out another $1 million. So that is probably going to be a deal killer and it's probably going to cause a lot of gray hairs and heartaches after the purchase. So what you want to do is get a title report in order to prevent those heartaches and gray hairs after the fact. And plus, a clean title report is going to give you the confidence that you need to transfer the property to you for new ownership. So beyond existing liens and encumbrances, title reports are also going to uncover other legal matters like easements, any restrictions, or obligations that could impact the use of the property or redevelopment or future development. And for buyers like you and me, this information is super invaluable. It's going to help us understand the limitations and the obligations more comprehensively. And when you hire a reliable and hopefully reputable title company, you're going to get a detailed title report. And it's going to clarify the ownership status and any legal concerns like we've mentioned. It's going to be your security blanket during real estate deals. Now let's talk about the costs. Title searches are probably going to run you anywhere around $3,000, maybe $4,000. But what about title insurance? The cost of title insurance can vary pretty widely based on several factors, including the location of the property, the purchase price, the type of policy you have, and the title insurance company that you choose. On average, you can probably expect that title premium range to be a few $100 to maybe a few $1,000s. It's typically a one-time payment made during the closing process. And what you want to do is you want to shop around, you want to get quotes from different title insurance providers to get you the best rate for your specific situation. And in addition, some states actually regulate title insurance rates, so the cost might be relatively standard within a particular region. And there you have it. That is my 2 cents and general overview for title reports. It's definitely your ticket to a smooth property transaction. You don't want to run into any hidden bullshit when you're buying properties. The cleaner a title report is, the cleaner and smoother your transaction is going to be. And there you have it. Until next time, Wonton out. And that's a wrap. If you've made it this far, that means you've listened to the entire episode, so thank you. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave a review on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or wherever you're listening from. And if you've learned something or found it useful, share it with one of your homies. And if you want to get in touch with me, I'm pretty active on IG. My handle is pro_TANH. Reach out, let me know what you liked, what you didn't like, or what you want to hear about in the future. I'm here to tailor this to you. Until next time.